Hey everyone, the market's been really coming down the last few days and I've been getting tons and tons of questions. I've got some interesting information that I'm going to share with you in just a few minutes. I'm going to take you into my trading lab and we're going to go through some really good stuff. So I'll see you in just a few seconds in my lab.
So I'm back in my lab and I want to take you through a few things. This is very important. Right now the Dow's down 272 points and we have about an hour and a half before the market closes. If you notice, the Dow's down over 1%, the S&P 100 is down over 1%, and the S&P 500 is down over 1%. But look at the tech. The Nasdaq is only down half on average, or more than half of what we're seeing in the broad market. If you recall, tech started this downside corrective pressure. Typically, as a rule of thumb, speculative stocks move first, and conservative stocks move last. So you will see faster accumulation or faster selling ahead of the broader market, which means you're going to see the Nasdaq react quicker or faster than the S&P 500 or the Dow. So let's take a look at some stocks. AMD, Microsoft, and Google are up. While we're still seeing Netflix and Apple down, we're beginning to see buying pressure move into AMD, Microsoft, and Google. These are top 20 stocks. So I'm seeing some accumulation in these stocks, which is telling me that institutional buyers are moving in right now. The fact that the Nasdaq is down only half of what we're seeing in the broad indices is very, very important, especially since we're hovering around the 200-day moving average on that index right now, which is major support. Let's take a look at that right now. As you could see, we're still very oversold. The market is struggling to move lower, the volatility is not expanding as much, and once again, we're down only half of what we're seeing in the broad indices. And this is very important because this could be a major turning point and we could be seeing upside over the next few days. And if you enjoyed this flash video, please email us at support@wealthpress.com and tell us all about it. Thanks again. This is Roger Scott.